how to turn off passcode on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. So on the home screen, we tap on Settings. Then in Settings, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. From here, we enter in the current screen passcode. Then scroll down and tap on Turn Passcode Off. Then tap on Turn Off. Now enter in your Apple account password to switch it off. After you put in the password, enter the current passcode. And then we'll be switching it off. Here, tap on Turn Off and remove password. Okay, so if we go to the lock screen now, you will no longer need passcode to enter your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.